Hey friends, in this episode I'm going to show you how to cut out fabric for a pillow cover, and I'm also going to answer one of my most asked questions: why don't I add in seam allowances when I cut out fabric for pillow covers? So let's get started. All supplies are listed in the description below this video. You'll need fabric for your pillow, a pillow form, something to measure your fabric with, like a yardstick, or I'm using my 𝗦𝗪𝗏 quilting ruler, something to mark your fabric with, scissors, and a tape measure. Measure your pillow form with a tape measure. Measure seam to seam, side to side, and top to bottom. My pillow form measures 18 inches by 18 inches. Iron your fabric. Cut off the selvages of your fabric. The cut edge of the fabric will probably not be cut straight. Using your quilter's ruler or yardstick, line up the ruler with the selvage edge, mark the straight edge, and then cut off the excess. Now you'll have two sides of your pillow cover cut and will have one 90-degree corner. With your quilting ruler or yardstick, measure from one cut edge to 18 inches or the size of your pillow cover and make a mark. Next, measure further up your cut edge and make another 18-inch mark. Do the same on the other cut edge of your fabric, marking twice at the size of your pillow form. Line up your ruler on the two marks and then connect the two marks for each side of the pillow. Cut out the two sides of your pillow cover fabric that you've marked. Now you'll have the front piece of your pillow cover cut out. Now you can use the front piece as a pattern to cut out the back side of your pillow cover. Lay the pillow cover right side down onto your ironed fabric, making sure not to place the fabric on the selvage edge or the cut edge, which may not be straight. Cut out the back side of your pillow cover using the pillow cover front as your pattern. Your pillow cover front and back sides are cut out and they are laying right sides together. Next, you'll pin and sew your fabric together. I've created a video to show how to make a pillow, and it's listed in the description below this video. So now for the big question: why don't I add seam allowances when I make a pillow cover? To show you a comparison, I sewed two pillows. I cut one pillow cover at 18 inches by 18 inches, and for the other pillow cover, I added 1/2 inch seam allowances for each of the four sides. Both pillow covers have an 18 inch by 18 inch pillow form in them. The larger pillow cover doesn't fit as snugly on the pillow form, and the corners are not filled out. By not adding seam allowances, the other pillow cover fits snugly on the pillow form. The corners are filled in and it looks plump and full. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch my How to Sew a Pillow video next. Happy sewing!